Zombies are going to college! Run for your lives! Ah! Rise and shine, Clementina! Today is a great day to start learning. Let's get ready. Fine, I'll give you a ride on my shoulder. Buckle up. I'm so sorry for being late, Mr. Cosine. Here's my ID. Oh, sorry, I got mixed up. This is Clementina's ID card. Attach a photo of a zombie to a printed ID card. Cover up the name and the signature with Wite-out. Write the zombie's name and add a signature. Draw green drips with a marker. Add a radiation sign with a glow-in-the-dark marker. Draw a black radiation sign with a yellow background on the back. Cover the ID with clear tape. What a nightmare! Fine, come in. Maybe some education will turn a zombie into a human. Hi, Tin! Clemmy, take your backpack! Add a yellow title on a black backpack using a stencil and acrylic paint. Define the details with black. Place paper under the backpack and drip red acrylic paint onto it. Make it look like blood. Put soil into the backpack. Put green slime and plastic eyes into the pocket. There is a special atmosphere in this zombie backpack. Zombie slime and graveyard dirt. Nice! But the professor doesn't understand why this notebook is here. It looks like it's straight out of a cemetery. I don't want to check that. And the zombie is having a lot of fun playing with her backpack. Soil for everyone! It's so much fun! Good thing Clementina has a shovel. Cut a little garden shovel to fit a glue tube. Glue the shovel into it. Apply hot glue to the handle to add texture. Coat the handle with acrylic paint. Cut it out along the cap and near the wheel of the glue stick. This is a multifunctional shovel. Glue is hidden in the handle, and Ben can use it to make a plane for the professor. Correct hit! An attack on the professor? Get out of here, Ben! Finally, a break! Let's throw a cheerleading party! Clementina and her fluffy pom-poms are lighting up the stage. Place black trash bags on top of each other to make a few layers. Trim them along the edges and cut into thin strips. Repeat for blue bags. Stretch out the layers to add volume. Tie a cord around the center. Attach a cord to a marker cap. Wrap the marker in a Band-Aid. Make a cut along the cap using a utility knife. Yay! Clementina! This is the first zombie cheerleader our college has ever had. Whoops! Hitting the professor with a pom-pom is definitely a bad idea. Your fun is over! And no more zombie dances in my class! But I think I'm gonna keep this marker. Cheerleading is a very useful thing. But Ben still gets an F. Don't worry, Benny. I'll cheer you up anyway. Clementina is getting ready for music class. What a nightmare! It looks like she lost her singing voice before she lost her life. It's unbearable! Hey, stop this musical torture! But Clemmy can't hear anything. She is wearing headphones. She'll have to give them to the professor. Here, take the case too. Attach strips of pink light clay to a blue wireless headphone case. Create the lines of a brain. Add blood with red acrylic paint. Attach googly eyes at the bottom. Draw a zombie mouth. Paint a red wound. Even the brain of a headphone case stops functioning after hearing these zombie songs. Take your case back. Just don't sing anymore. Oh no! She's back at it again! The classroom is very noisy. Is that you, Tin? Or you, Ben? Where's this noise coming from? The locker? Something weird is going on in there. So that's what it is. The zombie is eating her lunch from her folder of radioactive waste. Coat a folder with acrylic primer. Add strips with hot glue. Make it look like the surface of a barrel. Paint it brown. Add a radiation sign in the center. Apply drips to the barrel with green hot glue. Clementina! Stop eating radioactive trash! Get out of your bunker and sit at the desk. What an amazing folder! It looks like it was made out of a radioactive barrel. Zombies sure do have very unusual school supplies. Even zombies want to look stylish in college. Benny, look at this choker. My pale neck deserves an accessory too. Why does everyone have a choker except for me? Fine, Clemmy, stop whining. I have something better than a regular choker. This is a syringe choker for stylish zombies. Cut a strip out of a clear plastic bottle. Smooth out the edges with the tip of a hot glue gun. Trim a syringe. Fill it with green slime and superglue it to the plastic strip. Cover the connection with red acrylic paint. Make holes at the ends of the strip and put in a jewelry clasp. This is the 2020 Zombie Accessory Collection. Let's put the choker on the zombie's neck. Clementina, you look stunning! A syringe in your neck really suits you. Time to find out the results of our tests, and Clementina got an A+. Great job, zombie! Clementina decided that she's done with her studies. I'm graduating. Adios, amigos! Wrap a cardboard square in black foam paper. Cut a strip of cardboard in zigzags. Bend them and glue the strips into a ring. Wrap it in black foam paper. Attach it to the square. add blood drips and wounds onto the cap with red acrylic paint. Make red stains on a tassel. Hot glue the tassel to the center of the cap. Cover it with a foam paper circle on top. This zombie grad cap looks really good on Clementina. But hang on, it's too soon to graduate. It's only been 1 day. Clemmy, hold on. Phew, thank Newton. Everyone's gone. Did you like seeing a zombie's day at college? Then comment below what zombie school supplies you'd try to make. Would you bring a zombie backpack, a headphone case, or a radioactive folder? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss new zombie ideas from Troom.